Hi guys, there I am at the venue what I put on an Elvis. It's going absolutely great, everyone's really enjoying themselves. So this is one of the events I put on and promoted. So I'll just let you have a little listen. It's packed out in there, but it's warm, really warm. So come in, let's have a look, see what Corrigan live shows, and just let you have a look, see what Elvis is. Okay, come in, I'll show you. There you go. Everyone enjoying themselves, having a great time. Everyone up dancing, that's what I like to see. It's loud, but I love it when people get up and dance. I really enjoy themselves. Really pleased about this show. It's gone down really, really well. So, Corrigan's live shows. See you.